Mwathi Muriu here, the face and the name behind Food Babe 2020. On our kitchen tonight, we'll be preparing some mushroom stuffed chicken served in a bed of vegetables with some fried plantain. So guys, let's rock on our aprons and turn these ordinary ingredients into an extraordinary meal. Karibuni! We've got chicken breast, our marination for the chicken, which consists of soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, cumin powder, and garam masala. We've got our button mushroom, thinly sliced, and then we've got our plantain. Make sure that you cut them in a slanting order and they're not too thin, not too thick. We've got our sweet corn and peas that have been blanched already, our carrots soaked in water to soften, our onions that will be used to fry both the plantain and the chicken, and our green pepper, and last but not least, our cooking oil. We shall begin with our chicken. Make sure that your chicken is well defrosted, and we'll give it a butterfly cut, making sure that you don't go all the way to the edge. It should look something like this. So next step is tenderizing your chicken. I prefer to use a cooking spoon because my kitchen mallet will be a bit tough. And remember our marination. Put it in and take your chicken to the spa. Give it a good massage. And we'll let this set for 10 to 15 minutes. Add a bit oil to your pan and add your onions. Let that cook until it's translucent. Our onion is ready and we are ready to put in our mushrooms. So mushrooms are very delicate to heat. They tend to cook very fast, so keep a close eye on them. So the next procedure is to take our cool mushrooms and just align them in the middle. You can go crazy with the mushrooms. It all depends with your preference. So this is how we fold in the chicken, in half and the other half. Okay, make sure that everything is in there. And now we are trussing. I have made my own trussing threads using kitchen foil. And there we have it. Our chicken is now ready to go to the oven. Carefully handle your chicken, placing it on the tray. Make sure that your oven is well preheated. I preheated mine at 180 degrees and I put it on the second lower tray, and we're done. That's going to be ready in 30 to 45 minutes. So in 2 to 3 minutes, our vegetables should be ready for serving. Make sure not to overcook it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our mushroom stuffed chicken, mixed vegetables and plantain is ready for service. For these and more recipes, don't forget to check us out on Instagram at foodbabe2020. And also don't forget to check out at Pishi-Savour and also hashtag Pishi-Home-Chef. So guys, there we have it. Bon appetit!